This is First Coast Math Clinic with Lesson 1, Writing Linear Equations in Slope-Intercept Form from Unit 9, Writing Linear Equations. The goal in this video is to write equations of a line in slope-intercept form, given the slope and the y-intercept. So just a quick review, we know our equation of a line in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and m is our slope, so m, that's our slope, and b is our y-intercept. So we're just going to write our equation given m and b. So let's go through a couple examples. So for number 1, we've got a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 3. So we're basically just going to take our slope. This is kind of the easiest set of examples or set ways to write our equation in slope-intercept form. We're just given our two pieces of information. So m is 1/2, b is 3. So we're just going to substitute those values into our equation in slope-intercept form. So we're going to have y equals 1/2 x plus 3. So if we wanted to graph this, so we're starting at 3 on the y-axis. So remember, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start at 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go up 1. Our slope is 1/2, so we're going to go up 1. We'll do this in red. We're going to go up 1 over 2. If you want to review graphing equations in slope-intercept form, I have another video on that. The link is going to pop up right now, so you can check that out. So this is our equation, our graph for 1/2 x plus 3. So m equals -3/5, and b is 6. So we're going to substitute the -3/5 in for m. And then 6 in for b, so -3/5 x plus 6. So if we're going to graph this, so I'm drawing my x and y axis. I'm just drawing in quadrant 1. So I'll start at 6 on the y-axis. Do this in red so it's easy to see. So we're starting at 6. Slope is -3/5, so I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm just kind of drawing this in by hand, so it's not exact. It's going to be approximate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just get a kind of rough picture as to what this graph looks like. So this is our equation and our graph if our slope is -3/5 and our y-intercept is 6. And then number 3, our slope is 4/3. Our y-intercept is -4. So our equation should be y equals 4/3 x minus 4. So now we're going to start in quadrant 4. We're starting on the negative. So let's start at -4 on the y-axis to graph this. And we're going to go up 4, right 3. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is our graph for 4/3 x minus 4, and this is our equation if m is 4/3 and b is -4. Let's do some equations if m is 0 or if b is 0. So again, for these, remember our equation y equals mx plus b. Our value for m for all these, 1/4, 0 for number 5, and 1 for number 6. And our value for b, for number 4, b is 0. For number 5, b is -3. And for number 6, b is 2. So those are the values we're substituting in. So for number 4, our equation should be y equals 1/4 x plus 0. Well, if we're adding 0, we really don't need to write that 0 in, so we're just going to have 1/4 x. So if we want to graph this, all right, so that's our x-axis, our y-axis. So we're starting at 0 on our y-axis. Draw this in red so it's easy to see. We're going to go, slope is 1/4, so we're going to go up 1/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect those points. So this is our graph for y equals 1/4 x. Number 5, y equals 0x minus 3. Well, if I multiply 0 times x, I'm just going to get 0 here. So I don't need to write in that 0. 0 minus 3 is just going to be -3. So my equation is going to be y equals -3. So my graph for this, so remember what this is going to look like. We draw our x and y axis here. So this is our y axis, this is our x axis. So let's find -3 on the y axis. 1, 2, 3. So -3 is right here. And I'll draw this graph in red so it's easier to discern, to tell apart. So we want a horizontal line at -3. So this is our graph for y equals -3. And then number 6, our equation could be y equals 1x plus 2. So if we graph this, x-axis and our y-axis, we're going to start at 2 on the y-axis. That's our y-intercept. Our slope is 1, so we know it's basically just 1/1, right? We'll do this in red. We're going to go up 1 and right 1. Connect those points. And this is going to be our graph for y equals 1x plus 2. And that's our equation if our slope is 1 and our y-intercept is 2. Okay, so this video was video for lesson 1 for unit 9, writing equations in slope-intercept form, specifically if we have the slope and the y-intercept. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for East Coast Math Clinic.